Running out of ink at the worst possible time? We've all been there. But today, I'm replacing my printer ink with EcoVictor cartridges, and I'll show you why these things are a smart upgrade. Not only do they install seamlessly, but they also deliver more prints, sharper text, and vibrant colors. Let's get started. EcoVictor cartridges are designed to fit a wide range of HP printers, including models from the HP Envy, DeskJet, and DeskJet Plus series. So if you have one of these, you're in luck. So the way that you install this, you open up the opening for the printer. Here are the two inks with the color and the black. You're going to remove this red tape right here, so that way the printer could recognize the ink. You're going to put the color one inside the lavender side, and then do the same thing for the black one. Remove the tape, and then you're going to install this in the black side. And once you plug it in, close the lid, and then you wait a few minutes for the HP printer to calibrate and to recognize the ink. EcoVictor cartridges come with an upgraded smart chip, ensuring seamless compatibility and real-time ink tracking. No annoying error messages, no guesswork, just smooth printing. Have you ever had trouble installing third-party cartridges? Drop a comment and let me know. First up, let's print a document with black ink. EcoVictor boosts high-yield ink, meaning you get 30% more prints per cartridge. Look at that! The text is super crisp and easy to read, perfect for reports, assignments, or business documents. Now, let's test out some color printing. Unlike traditional cartridges, EcoVictor uses recycled material and is Amazon Climate Pledge friendly, so you're reducing waste while saving money. Each black cartridge prints up to 650 pages and color up to 350 pages, so you're replacing less and printing more. Every cartridge goes through a rigorous cleaning, repair, and testing process to ensure top-notch performance with zero leak errors. EcoVictor ink is engineered for stunning, lifelike images. The colors are bright, accurate, and don't smudge. Ideal for photos, invitations, or creative projects. What's the first thing you would print with EcoVictor? Let me know below. So, after testing EcoVictor ink cartridges, I can confidently say they work. So here's the recap. They're easy to install. They have a smart chip for seamless compatibility. High yield ink, which means 30% more pages. They're crisp, clear text, and vibrant colors. If you want high quality, reliable ink, EcoVictor is the way to go. Click the link in the description to grab yours today.